We're going to start the Java variable manipulation quiz. Okay, so the expression 5 does not equal 6 will evaluate to what value? So 5 does not equal 6, that is true. What does the following code do? So you print out on the screen 8 does not equal to 8. It's gonna print false. Incorrect. 8 is less than or equal to 8, so the code inside evaluates to true. So does not. So 8, yeah, that's true. So it prints true. Continue. How could we get a result of 10 given the following variable? So double, a equals 2. So we need to get 10, okay? A times 5, so 2 times 5 is going to be 2. It's going to be 10. What is the best way to tell if the following two strings are equal? So we have a string username and a string username 1 and username 2. And we know that if we want to compare the data type string, which is an object, we need to use the equals. So we have to use this one, okay? The equals method. Which operator can be used to concatenate two strings? That is the plus sign. Are there any errors in this Java statement? So int status equal 7 smaller than 8. Yes, because the int should be a boolean, because this statement here, this operation here, is going to evaluate to a boolean result. So it's either going to be smaller, so 7 smaller than 8. That's either going to be a true or a false. So it's going to be it should be a boolean instead of int here. To what value does the following string concatenation evaluate? So to what value does the following string concatenation evaluate? It's 5 p.m. It's going to be this one. So it's, then it has a bit of a space, 5, so the space is given here, okay? So it's 5, and then between 5 and p.m., as you can see, there's no space in there. So it's going to be this one. After the following code is run, what value will the variable endpoint be assigned to? So once this code is run, so we have an int, it's called endpoint, and we have 11 modulo, if you remember this symbol, 3. So that will be the what's it called, the remainder of this one, okay? So we say 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 4 is 12, so 9, that's gonna equate to 2, okay? Because 3 times 4 is 12, so it's gonna be too much. It's gonna be too big compared to 11. So therefore, we can only accept 3, okay? So 3, this 3 times 3 is 9. And then 11 minus 9, it will be 2. That will be the remainder, okay? And there you go. We scored 87, or I scored 87. And is because I got a very basic question. I got it wrong, which I would have known otherwise. But this only shows that we need to pay really good and close attention to each and every question and not to just rush into it. Anyways, this is still a very good result, so I'm pleased with that.